Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Moosoo vacuum cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Cordless 500 watt 40 kPa cordless vacuum cleaner. This vacuum is a solid contender with its 40 kPa suction power and a runtime of up to 60 minutes in its lowest setting. It's equipped with a V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush, which is a lifesaver for homes with pets or long-haired residents. The inclusion of green LED lights on the floor brush is a thoughtful touch, making it easier to spot hidden dust in dark spaces like under furniture. The design is lightweight, modern, and sleek. At just 5 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and comes with 8 versatile attachments, making it highly adaptable for cleaning a variety of surfaces, from carpets to curtains to car interiors. The 1.5-liter dustbin is decent for its category, though you may find yourself emptying it more frequently if you're tackling larger homes. The smart LED display is another nice feature, allowing you to monitor battery life and suction mode in real time. While this vacuum is a reliable performer, its suction power is slightly less impressive compared to others higher on this list, and the dustbin capacity may not suit larger households. However, for smaller homes or apartments, it's a practical choice with a reasonable balance of power, versatility, and price. The Cordless is ideal for pet owners and anyone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum. Pros include its runtime and anti-tangle design, but cons include the smaller dustbin and slightly limited suction power. Coming in at number 4 is the MBYLO 450-watt cordless vacuum cleaner with 40 kPa of suction power and a 450-watt motor. This vacuum gets the job done whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, or tackling pesky pet hair. The V-shaped roller brush is a standout feature, offering anti-tangle functionality that makes dealing with long hair a breeze. Plus, the 50-minute runtime is sufficient for small to medium homes. And the removable battery adds convenience for charging. The MBYLO features a lightweight build at just 6 pounds, making it easy to carry up and down stairs. Its 1.5L dustbin is adequate for most cleaning sessions, and the LED color screen is a unique addition, allowing you to keep tabs on battery life, suction mode, and maintenance alerts. The impressive 11-level filtration system ensures that even the finest particles are captured, making it a good choice for allergy sufferers. However, this vacuum falls slightly short in runtime compared to others, and the suction modes may feel a bit limiting if you're tackling larger messes. The design, while sleek, may not feel as premium as some of the higher-ranked models on this list. That said, the MBYLO is a solid mid-tier option for small households or pet owners who need a reliable, easy-to-use vacuum. Pros include its strong filtration system and lightweight design, while its cons are the runtime and slightly less powerful motor. At number 3, we have the Jelly Pig 580W cordless vacuum cleaner. This model is a powerhouse with 48 kPa suction power and a runtime of up to 65 minutes, making it perfect for tackling larger spaces. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush design is excellent for reducing hair entanglement, especially for homes with pets. The self-standing feature is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to pause your cleaning without worrying about the vacuum tipping over. Design-wise, the Jelly Pig is robust and user-friendly. The LED touchscreen is intuitive, letting you adjust suction power, check battery life, and monitor the dustbin and filter status. It also boasts an impressive 1.8-liter dustbin capacity, reducing the need for constant emptying. The low noise level of 58 dB makes it a quieter option for those sensitive to noise. However, while the Jelly Pig is highly efficient, its price point might be a bit steep for some budgets. Additionally, though it performs well on most surfaces, the lack of a second battery option might limit those needing extended cleaning sessions. Overall, it's an excellent choice for medium to large households, especially those with pets. Pros include its powerful suction and large dustbin, while cons are its price and lack of a second battery. In second place, we have the Mohomo 580W cordless vacuum cleaner. With 48 kPa suction and a 65-minute runtime, this vacuum is built for efficiency. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush is perfect for deep cleaning carpets and hardwood floors, while the self-standing design makes it easy to pause and resume cleaning. The 1.8-liter dustbin is spacious enough for large cleaning tasks, and the low noise level of 58 dB ensures a quieter experience. The Moohoo's OLED touchscreen is a standout feature, offering real-time monitoring of suction levels and battery life. The overall design is sleek and ergonomic, with a lightweight build that's easy to handle. The cyclonic filtration system and HEPA filter ensure that even the smallest particles are trapped, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. While the Moosoo is impressive, its price may be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, though it's powerful, the charging time of 4 hours might feel long for those in need of quick turnarounds. That said, the Moosoo is an excellent option for families or anyone needing a premium vacuum with robust features. Pros include its advanced filtration system and OLED display, while cons are its price and charging time. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the VBUOO 580W Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum is a true powerhouse, boasting 48 kilopascal suction and an industry-leading 70-minute runtime. The 580W brushless motor, paired with a high-power floor brush, ensures that even the most stubborn dirt and pet hair are no match. The tapered cyclone filtration system is a game-changer, minimizing clogs and extending the life of the HEPA filter. The VBUOO features an LED touchscreen for easy suction adjustments and real-time monitoring of battery life and maintenance needs. Its self-standing design is incredibly convenient, and the 1.8-liter dustbin is more than enough for large cleaning tasks. The inclusion of multiple attachments makes it versatile for everything from plush carpets to ceiling corners, and the ergonomic telescopic handle adds to its ease of use. While the VBUOO is nearly perfect, its higher weight of 8.3 pounds might not be ideal for everyone. Additionally, the need to frequently clean the roller brush to prevent tangles could be a minor inconvenience. However, with its unmatched power, runtime, and versatility, the VBUOO is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a high-performance vacuum. Pros include its long runtime and powerful suction, while cons are its heavier build and maintenance needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.